Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to set Yahoo as your homepage on Firefox. Whether you're a die-hard Yahoo user or just want a personalized browsing experience, this tutorial will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Mozilla Firefox installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the official Firefox website and download it for free. Once Firefox is open, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. That's the menu button. Click on it to expand your options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings or Preferences. This might vary slightly depending on your Firefox version, but it's usually straightforward. In the Settings tab, scroll down until you find the Homepage and New Windows section. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter a URL. Now, type in https://www.yahoo.com into that field. If you want Yahoo to load every time you open a new tab or window, make sure to check the appropriate boxes nearby. Once you've entered the URL, hit Save or simply close the settings window. Firefox will automatically apply the changes. To test it out, close Firefox and reopen it. Voila! Yahoo should now be your default homepage. If it doesn't work, double-check that you're connected to the internet and try restarting your browser. Pro tip: if you're using Firefox on a mobile device, the steps are similar but might involve going through the app's settings menu. And there you have it. Setting Yahoo as your homepage on Firefox is that easy. This simple tweak can make your browsing more efficient and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.